The practice of Digital India BHIM Bharat Interface for Money. Bharat Interface for Money BHIM is an app that makes payment transactions simple, easy and quick using Unified Payments Interface UPI. It enables direct bank-to-bank payments instantly and collect money using a mobile number or payment address. Bharat Interface for Money app is currently available on Android and it is downloadable from Google Play Store for smartphones at the following URL. Beam is a biometric-based payment system. The app will allow users to make payments through the fingerprint scanner by authenticating the biometric details of a user with an Aadhaar number. Beam provides a tool that can be one-stop solution for all digital payment. The app will link your Aadhaar number and biometric fingerprints to complete a transaction. To enable transaction through Beam Aadhaar, merchants will have to purchase fingerprint scanners. Beam Referral Bonus Scheme for Individuals. The referral bonus scheme will incentivize existing Beam users for bringing new users on the Beam platform and encouraging the new users to do transactions with others using Beam or by referring new users on Beam. Hence, the bonus will be paid to both the referrer and the new user of Beam interface. The referral will be considered successful only after three unique successful financial transactions have been completed by the new user. On completion of three minimum unique successful transactions totaling only 50 rupees to any three unique users, either to customers or merchants, the referrer and the referee will be notified about the bonus amount via notification in Beam app. The referrer will get 10 rupees per successful referral, while the new users will get 25 rupees for downloading and transacting from Beam app. Beam Merchant Cashback Scheme. The scheme incentivizes not just one-time adoption of Beam by merchants, but will also encourage transaction via Beam made either through QR code or VPA or mobile number or pay to Aadhaar. The cashback to the merchant can be up to 300 rupees per month, which each merchant is eligible to win up to 1800 rupees in 6 months. What is Beam? Beam Aadhaar is a new Aadhaar payment app. It is a new Android smartphone application being launched under Digital India to encourage the use of digital payments. Beam Aadhaar Pay smartphone payment app would eliminate the fee currently being charged by private card companies such as MasterCard and Visa. Who should install Beam app? Aadhaar Pay app is need to be installed by merchants only. That is only shopkeepers, showrooms need to install Aadhaar Pay app and the users who want to pay using Aadhaar Pay only need to link their Aadhaar number with their bank accounts. Shopkeepers or merchants can download Aadhaar Pay to take payments from customers from their Aadhaar linked bank accounts using their biometric scan. The working of Beam Pay. Merchants would be required to download the Beam Aadhaar Pay payment app on their Android smartphone connected to a biometric reader. The biometric reader is currently available for just 2000 rupees. If a customer wants to make payment, then he or she just need to enter his or her Aadhaar number in the app and select the bank from which the payment is to be made and use the biometric scan as the password for the transaction. Upon entering the Aadhaar number, the app would automatically fetch the bank account linked to the Aadhaar number. Then the customer can make a selection of the bank for payment as he or she chooses. How will Beam help? The Aadhaar Pay for merchants would help eliminate the long waiting period and hassle of getting a new POS point of sales. At present, There are only 15 lakh POS machines deployed by the banks across the country. SBO alone has deployed over 3 lakh terminals, followed by HDFC Banks and ICICI Bank. Beam Aadhaar app is made available to merchant smartphone. Customers can pay the merchant by selecting the bank's name and filling only one field on merchant's phone, the Aadhaar number. The customer's fingerprints is the password used to authenticate the transaction. The acceptability of digital payment has been a very poor among the merchants in the country. One of the biggest reasons behind this India is being a cash dominated country and 2 to 3% charges taken by the card companies such as Visa and MasterCard. The lack of connectivity has also made it difficulty for merchants in the country to adopt digital payments. There are about 5 crore merchants in the country at present and only 15 lakh POS machines for a population of more than 125 crore. Not only for the merchants, the Bhim Aadhaar Pay system would also helpful for customers to get rid of their stacks of plastic money, confusing sets of passwords, and their digital payment accounts passwords being stolen. Also, customers need not be download the payment wallet or even as have to have a smartphone. Beam customer benefits. Customers don't need to have an Android phone or any other technology to make payments. No service tax or any other extra charge on the payment using Aadhaar payment app. There is no need to carry debit card or credit card. No need to remember PIN numbers, MPIN numbers, and passwords. Instant payment through Aadhaar Bridge system. This is similar to Aadhaar enabled payment system AEPS, affordable payments solution for both customers as well as for merchants.